Back. Okay. Now you got these. I got some olive oil on about medium-high heat right now. It looks to be about almost done. You can tell when it's done when it starts doing that ribbity thing. Now all I have here is a stainless steel pan, preferably a non-stick pan. We find I don't have that on hand, but I do have the non-stick pan for the eggs because this is eggs over Tate's over easy. Perfect. Now sometimes when you put the potatoes in the microwave, they kind of stick together. So you got to make sure to break them apart. Make sure they're about bite size. That's good. And while those saute, I'll cut the onion. Now you can use as much as onion as you want, but since I only have 2 potatoes, I'm only use half this onion. It's a pretty big onion as it is anyway. And if you want to be really crazy, you can actually add crushed or ground red peppers to your flavor, which I like to do, especially for my roommate, because we like everything spicy, just like Emerald. And you don't have to be, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Basically dice them up. And normally what you could do is, if you didn't microwave the potatoes, you would kind of wait for the potatoes to cook a little bit and then put the onions in later. But since the potatoes are already pre-cooked, I'm just going to basically give these kind of a rough chop. I'm just going to toss this in with potatoes immediately. And it looks to be like a lot of onion, so I'm not going to use all of that. I don't need that much onion. Now I'm going to do the red pepper. Not that much red pepper. I guess a third of it, of a large red pepper. This is mainly for flavoring. Plus when I saute, they get that really good sweetness. And again, just gonna rough chop, bite size. There's really no right or wrong. And toss that in there. See, it's kind of sticking a little bit. On the onions, you don't want to overcook the onions because you want that real good onion flavor. You could use red onions, which gets sweeter. I prefer white with this. I like the real onion flavor. It's coming along nicely.